I started some persimmon trees from seed 7 or 8 years ago. They're around 20 feet tall and the trunks are about the diameter of a baseball. They have flowered the last 3 years, but never had fruit. My neighbor has a mature persimmon about 60 feet from mine, which fruits. When will my persimmon tree start fruiting? And this is from Dan in Knoxville. So, Mr. Rick, what do you think about that one?
Well, two thoughts. First, are they American persimmons
I knew you
or
were
is
going
one
to
an
say that.
Asian persimmon?
I knew you was going to say that.
And on the American persimmon, I'm 90% sure they're dioecious, and it could be that they have male seedlings that are flowering and not able to set fruit.
Right.
So that's my thoughts.
And also,
That's my thought as well.
Also, if they're American, it usually takes from 6 to 8 years for one to start fruiting.
Sure.
And if his is 8 years old, and he has pollination,
Pollination,
maybe
right.
this is the year.
Could be. Could be. Yeah, there's a lot
But
of
it takes longer
variables
for the seedlings
Yeah.
than the grafted varieties. They'll fruit in 4 to 5 years.
Yeah.
So basically, it just has to be patient. It may be coming.
Well,
maybe.
it's just like in our arboretum. We have planted hedge apples a number of times, which is something average person would want, but we just wanted a fruiting one on the grounds. And there's one enormous one that's apparently a male, and we planted 3 or 4 over the years, and apparently every one we've planted when it's gotten mature enough has been a male. We've never been lucky enough to get, and how do you get a female but to grow it from seed, but you can't tell. So
Yeah, I was about to say, how can you tell?
So you know, sometimes you're just unlucky.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.